Kenya, East Africa. Here, the environment is fragile, financial means are limited, and rainfall is minimal. Just 400 kilometers from the capital city of Nairobi is Kenya's Rift Valley province. Farmers working small plots in the valley districts of Marakwet and Kayo contend regularly with drought. Despite these uncertainties, nearly every adult in these two districts is employed in agriculture. And in spite of drought, food production continues as it has for centuries. Throughout the world, the methods of irrigation vary, mostly depending on financial means and geographical situations. Despite the enormous waste of their precious resource of water and the washing away of fertile topsoil, wild flooding and furrow irrigation are practiced by farmers according to old traditions. But others have looked to solutions within their humble possibilities. Many have begun lining furrows with cement to prevent water from seeping into the ground en route to fields. And in Kayo, farmers are being helped by a technique known as drip irrigation. As the name suggests, drip irrigation is the drop-by-drop localized application of water from a grid just above the soil's surface. While drip irrigation is helping small farms in many areas of the world, it is also being applied to large operations.